I really like these new garage racks. They're fantastic. They're super easy to install. It comes with everything you need. Spacers, the washers, the screws. It's very nice material as well. It's powder coated black, so it's rust proof. It's very sleek and modern looking. It comes with 3 of these as well, so you can hang 2 bins.
Installation's really a breeze. Simply find the studs in your ceiling. It comes with everything you need. It's a really versatile system. It's great for garage ceiling storage racks. It's also suitable for workshops, basements, utility rooms, and other places. It's great just to keep boxes off the floor. Whether you need to store tools, seasonal items, sports equipment, or just household items, these storage racks provide a really space-saving storage solution. They're really designed with stability and safety in mind. They carry the maximum weight of a suitcase after installation.